Also out of Tallahassee, a bill to ban instruction on sexual orientation and gender identity in some Florida classrooms is headed for a full vote in the House tomorrow. But a new amendment to that bill is adding to the controversy that surrounds this proposal.
Free to say gay.
It would force kids back into the proverbial closet.
Scott Galvin is the executive director of Safe Schools South Florida. He says this proposed amendment could lead to schools outing LGBTQ students to their parents. The bill had allowed schools to withhold parental notification if a reasonably prudent person would believe that disclosure would result in abuse, abandonment, or neglect. But this amendment would require the school to disclose that information now within 6 weeks.
It forces kids to stay quiet at school, to not be their authentic selves.
That's way too deep for children this age to be talking about sexual things.
Republican Florida State Senator Dennis Baxley is the sponsor of the Senate version of the bill. He argues this is about schools concentrating on core skills.
We want you to teach them to read and do math and do science.
And the bill would also give parents the right to sue the school district if they feel that the school is in violation of this legislation.
The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention opposes this bill. It says LGBTQ youth are at an increased risk of suicide. The foundation is advocating for the state to increase acceptance and affirmation of LGBTQ identities and increase access to LGBTQ affirming physical and mental health care.